Well, hi once again, everybody. Welcome to your final training session today on how to use some free software and how to create a page and upload it to your WordPress blog. So with that, I'm going to hide my pretty little face here, and we're going to go ahead and open up FileZilla. I'm already connected to FileZilla, but you log into this thing, you have to put your host name, and all it is your domain name .com, .net, or whatever it may be. You don't need to fool with a www. Your username that was given to you from your hosting company and its password. So I'm already connected here, but what I'm going to do is do a little quick connect so you can see how this works. It says da 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 da, you're currently logged on, and all that stuff. Okay. Now, on the right hand side of these screens is your website. It's actually connected to your hosting company, and it connects to your domain name. Everything that's on the left is your computer. And what you want to do is take files from your computer and upload them to your website. So the folder that we want to upload those things to is called public HTML. You click on that, and it has a bunch of content in it down here already. But what you want to do is find the file that we created and put on the desktop called test, and we want to put it into our web hosting, public HTML. So here it is. It's called HTML, and it's on your desktop. You can always look at where it was if you know where it was. And the dates are always good. I mean, you can sort this stuff by date just by clicking on it. We know that we did it on the 22nd of July, and in fact right here it is. So you select it, do a right mouse click, and then do an upload. When you do an upload, a lot of this stuff's going to move around, or you're going to see things changing in here, and what it's doing is uploading it to that public HTML folder at your hosting company. So what we're going to do is click upload. You see that this moved up here. Now the public HTML, now all of a sudden our HTML file is over here under our public directory. So our public HTML directory. So it's a little scary at first, but it's pretty simple if you learn how to do it. The program is FileZilla. It's a free software, and all you have to do is just log into your host and select your public HTML, find your folder, upload it, and you're ready to go. So I'm going to minimize that. Now we're going to go back to my browser, check on time. We've got plenty of time now. Alright, it would be hard to find this page on here that we just uploaded if you don't know what it is, because it doesn't show up in your navigation. It's not in any of these pages up here. It's not in any of these blogging categories down here. So how do you find it? Well, if you know the address, and we do know what it is, it's www.jerryrluckadoo.com/, just key the name in. It's a test.html. Key it in, and there it is. There's our little test page with text and an image and our opt-in box, and all of this stuff works. And that's how you find it. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. I'm going to pull back up the names of these URLs for these free downloads. Jing, again, is a screen capture software. It's much cheaper than Camtasia, and it works pretty effectively. Composer is a free download for an HTML editor. FileZilla is a free download for a file transfer protocol. So with that, I'm going to turn my little picture back on and say goodbye to you. I hope you take the time to learn this stuff. It's always good to learn new stuff on your own. You don't have to ask other people how to do it, and some people will not share that information with you. And I searched all over the internet trying to find simple tasks, simple solutions to what I was trying to do. And after I did, after much trial and error, I just decided to publish it and share it with you folks. So enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.